Hello and welcome to another episode on Unbox Tech Bites. Today we are unboxing EK-Quantum's active front and back plate cooling set for the Asus ROG Strix 4080. Now, as we open up the box, they've given us a lovely complimentary free mug. I shall be having a cup of tea out of this in just a moment. And let's see what else they've given us. Let's lift out the packaging. And we've got our foldable water cooling filling bottle with a nice little nozzle there. And then we also have the ABP set itself. Now, as I did say, this has got active front and back cooling, and we'll see just how this is routed through in just a moment. So let's get the box out of the box and we can see what we've got to play with. Now, apologies for the poor quality of this video, guys. Unfortunately, one of my studio lights stopped working just before this, so it is a little bit grainy. But here we are, and we can see we obviously have our accessories pack here for our mounting, and then we also have our universal mounting mechanism. Now, as we take the product out, we can get our first real good look at what we've got going on here. Now, this is beautifully machined, and it actually comes in a whole 1.5 card slots less in the thickness department compared to the stock cooler that comes on the 4080. You can see here the CNC milling really is top quality, and yet another premium product from the EK-Quantum team. You can also see sticking in there that we've got our wires for our RGB headers. Now, this is a direct link terminal, which means that obviously it will come in one side, it will loop all the way through and around and back out the other side, and it also gives us various ports for when we are hooking up our water cooling inlets and outlets. Rear side as well, very much the same design. Beautiful CNC milling here, and we can see exactly where the water flow is going to go, and the size of that heatsink on the back is absolutely lovely to see. I am expecting a massive drop in temperatures compared to the stock cooler. Now, as I did just mention, the thickness of this card is dramatically less. This will only take up 2 PCIe slots on the rear I/O shroud, which is dramatically less than that of the stock cooler. Now, this was a quick unboxing. There wasn't much to really see on it, but I do hope that you've enjoyed the video. Please do take a moment to log in and subscribe to the video, and please come back to the channel again in the future for further unboxing videos. Many thanks, guys.